Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, use the down button or up button to scroll through the menu, and scroll through the menu until you find the system option. It's right at the bottom. Once you select the system, press the GPS button. And here you should see the language option. Make sure it's selected and then press the GPS button. And now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through the list by pressing the up and down buttons, of course. Find the language you like to use on your watch, select it, for example Deutsch, and then press the GPS button to confirm, and then select the apply option and press GPS to confirm again and apply the language. Okay, and this watch kind of froze for a second there after I selected the language, but after a couple of seconds, as you can see, the language will be applied on your watch. Let's bring it quickly back to English, or you know what, never mind. We can do it another way. So basically that's how you change the language on the watch, but if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the phone app to change the language on your watch. So we can bring our phone right here, open the Garmin Connect app. In the application, we can tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, select the Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, scroll down, tap on the system, select language, and then select the language from the list by swiping up and down and then tapping on it and tapping apply. And once you change the language, open the menu, the language should change, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.